Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Instead of talking about the latest cryptocurrency news or giving you tips on how to invest, I want to share my personal journey with you. I want to take you through my journey from being a complete beginner to becoming a crypto millionaire. Part 1. The beginning. It all started back in 2017 when I first heard about Bitcoin. I was intrigued by the concept of a decentralized currency that was not controlled by any government or financial institution. I started doing my own research and quickly became obsessed with the world of cryptocurrencies. At first, I was hesitant to invest any money into this new technology. I was afraid of the risks involved and didn't want to lose any of my hard-earned money. But as I learned more about the potential for growth in the crypto market, I decided to take the plunge and invest a small amount of money into Bitcoin. Part 2. The learning curve. As a beginner, I made a lot of mistakes. I bought and sold at the wrong times, chased after hype coins, and didn't have a clear investment strategy. But with each mistake, I learned valuable lessons. I started reading books, watching videos, and attending conferences to expand my knowledge about cryptocurrencies. One of the most important lessons I learned was the importance of diversification. I began to invest in other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. I also started paying attention to the underlying technology of these coins, such as smart contracts and blockchain. Part 3. The growth. As I continued to invest and learn, I started to see some significant growth in my portfolio. The value of my investments began to increase, and I started to see some significant returns. But I didn't let this success go to my head. I continued to research and invest wisely, never getting too attached to any one coin or investment. Part 4. The millionaire. And then, one day, it happened. My portfolio reached the $1 million mark. I couldn't believe it. I had gone from a complete beginner to a crypto millionaire in just a few years. But I want to make it clear that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It took a lot of hard work, research, and patience to get where I am today. I also want to emphasize that investing in cryptocurrencies is not for everyone. It's important to do your own research and make your own decisions based on your personal financial situation. Part 5. The future. So, what's next for me? Well, I'm not stopping here. I will continue to invest and learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and other emerging technologies that have the potential to change the world. Conclusion. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope my story has inspired you to take action and pursue your own financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start. Just take it one step at a time, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be sharing your own journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.